Well, this is 7:34 here, and through the window I'm putting this phone against the glass, so you can see the wind is increasing. You could hear the rain hitting the pane very hard actually, and I could see the tree across there, that palm tree, moving very fast. So that means the increasing speed of the wind is happening here. Yeah. So, if you look at that tree, you cannot see clear because of the rain on the glass of the window, but as I put my hand against this window, you could feel the force of the breeze pressing that window actually. Yeah, so it's gradually getting more intense from the last time I put up a video. Yeah. This is not the real stuff yet, so yeah. If you listen, you could hear that wind, the rain hitting. Alright, this will be all for now.